Hi guys, we are back again with another unboxing video. This time we are going to unbox um, a remote controller's rubber case, silicone case. This is our Samsung TV's remote controller. So we have got a case for it, a rubber silicone case. So let's open this up and take out this rubber case. As you all can see, this is blue in color, and इम्पॉर्टेंट फीचर ऑफ दिस इज कुछ अनोखा चीज इसके बारे में क्या है कि ये ग्लो होता है। जैसे ही हम इसको लाइट डालते हैं, थोड़ी देर के लिए लाइट देंगे, तो ये जब सब लाइट ऑफ कर देंगे तो ग्लो करना शुरू कर देगा। सो लेट्स पुट दिस बैंड हियर एंड अभी हमारा रिमोट जो है यहाँ का, ये नया रिमोट जो है टीवी का हमारा 43 इंचेस का सैमसंग टीवी का है। तो इससे पहले भी मैंने एक ऑर्डर किया था, आई हैड ऑर्डर अनदर case for it, but that did not fit in. I carefully ordered another one after many months so that it fits in right. So if you, as you all can see, this is the remote controller of our TV. Let me wipe away all the dust that is settled on the remote controller. थोड़ा dust सब निकाल देते हैं इसका. See all the dust accumulated on the remote. कपड़े में थोड़ा पोंछ लेता हूँ. Give me a moment. ये प्रोडक्ट का so I have removed all the dust that had settled on the remote controller. तो रिमोट तैयार है अभी ये कवर डालने के लिए. तो इसका मॉडल, आई विल प्रोवाइड यू द डिटेल्स ऑफ द मॉडल. यू विल हैव टू बी केयरफुल व्हेन यू परचेज द मॉडल. वो बहुत सारे रिमोट कंट्रोलर्स आते हैं मार्केट में. यू विल हैव टू सेलेक्ट द राइट वन फॉर योर रिमोट. You can do it when you look at the image of the remote. We got this from Amazon. Amazon is revolutionizing the way business is carried out. Everything, you can get anything and everything on the internet from Amazon. Okay, hope let's hope we don't break this remote. Okay, इतना घुस गया है. Alright, yeah, okay, here we go, man. This is hard. Okay, this is blue in color. Almost there, we are almost there. हो गया हो गया हो गया हो गया हो गया है. So here we are. ये थोड़ा एक्स्ट्रा दिख रहा है यहाँ पर, but that's good. नहीं, ठीक ही है, उसका डिजाइन ही ऐसा है. Okay, as you all can see, it looks really nice. Blue, but also feels like this is lavender. You have this nice ribbon. I don't know what to call this. So let us give it some light and switch off the light and see whether this glows in the dark. Okay, it is a perfect fit. So let's give it some light and turn off the light and see whether this glows. This is a product from Oboe, and the cost of this is 1,499, but we got it at a discounted price for about 300, I guess. So you can see all the details here. I don't know what this cover is. So Amazon print is printing all amazing stories of the people related to the people that have worked or are working at Amazon. So this is one of the story on their packages printed about a woman, I guess, M. Mageshwari, process assistant, fulfillment center. Alright, I think we've given enough light for the cover. Let's switch off the light and see whether this glows in the dark. Let's switch off the light now. I think we're not given it enough light, but I'll show you when it glows. Don't forget to subscribe and watch my other videos.